Welcome to Sinam Kids. My name is Vedanshi. I'm studying in UKG. I'm telling about friends and nonsense.
Andhra Pradesh,
Kuch Pradesh,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Bharatam,
Assam,
Bihar,
Bihar, Chhattisgarh,
Karnataka,
Goa,
Delhi,
Gujarat,
Gadda,
Haryana,
Sam,
Himachal Pradesh,
Nati,
Jharkhand,
Palka,
Karnataka,
Golconda,
Kerala,
Natasali,
Madhya Pradesh,
Manch,
Maharashtra,
Lavani,
Manipur,
Naglo,
Meghalaya,
Lahore,
Mizoram,
Chera,
Nagaland,
Chandra,
Odisha,
Orisi,
Punjab,
Bangla,
Rajasthan,
Guna,
Sikkim,
Singicha,
Tamil Nadu,
Bharatanatyam,
Telangana,
Polandi Shivatanavam,
Tripura,
Kotgiri,
Uttarakhand,
Chorya,
Uttar Pradesh,
Ratna,
West Bengal.
Chau. Thank you.